Hey guys, today I wanted to talk to you about a subject that is often disregarded in the world of well-paid employees, either because they don't have the time or they are too comfortable with their current situation. But that is having a side hustle. I always wanted to diversify my income because I heard that this is what the richest people in the world do. You may know the advice to never put all your eggs in one basket. Well, you can think of the eggs as your available energy and the one basket as your job. I am not saying to not do your best at your current job, but maybe after hours with your remaining time, you can start up a little side project that might one day become profitable. And there are a lot of ways you can do that as a developer. From automating a task using code and then selling that code on sites like AppSumo or Envato Market to creating bots or tutoring other peers that want to get into this field. You may continue coding for new clients on freelancing sites or start a business of your own. The way I was able to do this, and I have a whole video on this channel where I talk about it in more detail, is through online courses about different coding concepts. What you need to know before starting this gig, in case you get tempted, is that it's really hard work. I think I worked for at least 30 hours on each course before releasing it. And once it was out, different comments made me realize I could improve some aspect about it. There is a link in the description below where you can check out my courses and even get some of them for free. The other video I have on this will walk you more in depth about the routes there are to be taken based on if you have a pre-existing following or not. In general, from what I noticed about the side hustle industry is that other than freelancing, you won't be guaranteed upfront that you will get paid for the work you do. It resembles a business in this aspect more than it does a job you get employed at, and that can be good because it can have exponential upside based on how great of a job you do, as opposed to a simple traditional job where your salary is the same no matter how hard you work. Sure, a promotion may be somewhere along the way, but the effect is much less notable. Another smart thing that you can do is you might combine coding with an existing passion or hobby you might have, which is exactly what I am trying to do now. I want to see how MongoDB works relating to Node.js serverless functions. And I will try to create a database that contains all the tracks from Formula 1 and some other random details about them. Of course, this doesn't have much prospects of making me money for now, but you get the idea. Let's say you love meditation, then you can create a mobile app for that. You're into music, tutor some younger siblings on an instrument, or create a course about playing the guitar. The possibilities are endless. You just have to actively look for ways to monetize the activities you do and transform your mindset to transcend the consumer that you are today into an actual producer of value. If you have any other side hustles that you are currently doing, let me know in the comments. I'm really curious about other ideas I might have missed. And until next week, happy coding!